In this video, I'm about to show you how to connect Firebase to ReactJS. First, create a Firebase project at firebase.google.com and register your app. Now, install the Firebase SDK in your React project using npm install Firebase. Open Firebase console and add a new web app to get your configuration details. Then, copy the Firebase config object containing apk, auth domain, project LT, etc. Next, create a firebase.js file inside your React project's src folder. Initiate the Firebase app in firebase.js using initialize app Firebase config. After that, import and use Firebase services like auth, Firestore, and storage in your components. Securely manage API keys by using environment variables if deploying. Start building features like authentication, database reads or writes, or hosting with Firebase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.